Okay, this is part of the stay of the motorcycle. I'm gonna try to do some sandblasting. I got a new air compressor, about 18 CFM, and a new sandblasting machine which I never used. It's the first time. I'm gonna check it in there and see how it goes. And there we go. Absolutely great. It's absolutely perfect. No color, no rust. Well, there wasn't any rust anyway. And no scratches on the metal. I used glass beads, and well, I haven't got the bag now. It's 160 granules something. It's absolutely great. That's what I was expecting. Now it's straight for paintwork. This is the other part of the stay. The previous one was attached here. I removed the grommets, and we can see there's quite a few rust over here. Nothing would have happened if I didn't do anything. It just doesn't look good, and I want to make the motorcycle spotless. Nothing needs to be done apart from just fresh paint, which I'm gonna strip the color and the rust first with the sandblasting machine. Let's go. And this is the front stay that holds the front cowling, primed and ready to get its color.